What a fabulous performance by Abner, Natana Club of Pluso. Ravi and Co. Team Mirga Disarandi. ఇప్పుడు మనం చాలా తెలుగు స్కిట్లు చూసాం, తెలుగు పాటలు విన్నాం. ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా ఇంగ్లీష్ స్కిట్, ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఇంగ్లీష్ స్కిట్ని మా అభినయ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లూసో ప్రౌడ్లీ ప్రెజెంట్స్. లెట్స్ కమ్ ద అభినయ క్లబ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లూసో.
Merchant of Venice, one of the romantic comedies written by the legendary playwright Master William Shakespeare. Venice, a beautiful city of canals in Italy. Two thickest friends ever, Bassanio and Antonio. They can sacrifice their lives for each other and share everything in between them. Bassanio, whose life is always troublesome, again falls into trouble. This time, he falls in love with a rich heiress in Belmont, who is so rich, and he is afraid to go to marry her. So he'll ask his friend Antonio for money, and there.
$3,000 ducats.
Yes, for 3 months.
For 3 months?
As I said before, Antonio will guarantee the loan. If I default, he will pay you.
Oh, Mr. Antonio will guarantee it.
Can you help me? What's your answer? I assure you, he can.
I'll think of a way to be sure before I guarantee the loan. Well, can I meet Mr. Antonio?
Sure.
Oh.
Shylock, are you listening?
Oh. I was just thinking about how much cash I have on hand. If I remember correctly, I can't raise you the 3,000 ducats immediately. But so watch, Tubal, a wealthy Jew I know, will supply me with the cash. Wait a minute. How many months do you need the loan? Okay. You said it is for 3 months. 3 months would be a long period. Oh, Mr. Antonio. We were just talking about you.
He's my best friend, Antonio.
Shylock, although I never lend or borrow with interest, I am willing to break that habit to help a friend in need. Bassanio, does he know how much you need?
Yes.
Well, Shylock, are you going to loan us the money?
Antonio, you have often insulted my money and my business practices in Rialto. I have always just shrugged and put up with it because Jews are good at suffering. And now it looks like you need my help. You come to me saying, Shylock, we need money. Shouldn't I say, does a dog have money? Can I not lend you 3,000 ducats? Or should I bend down in a low and submissive voice say, sir, last time you spit on me, today you're kicking me, and out of favor, all these favors, I'm going to loan us the money. Antonio, I want to make friendship with you. I want to just forget all the days you have embarrassed and humiliated me. I'm making a kind of 0% financing.
That would be really kind.
I'll show you how kind I am. Let's make this deal official. And let's add a little clause just for a joke. If you don't repay me on the day we agree on, in the place we name, for the amount we fixed in our contract, your penalty would be a pound of your pretty flesh to be cut off and taken from whatever part of your body I like. Is
It's
this okay?
a deal.
Oh.
No! You shall not steal such amount for me. I'd rather go without the money.
No. Don't worry about it, man. I won't have to pay it. In 2 months, a month before this loan is due, I expect to earn more than 3 times that much penalty. Well, Shylock, give me the contract. I will sign.
Okay, let's do it.
Fortunately, Antonio was unable to repay the debt on time, and Shylock, who is eagerly waiting for this to happen, stands stubborn on his bond. Knowing this, his friends Bassanio and Graciano comes to his rescue. Portia, wife of Bassanio, also goes in disguise as a Is Antonio here?
I am ready, if it pleases your grace.
I'm sorry for you. You're here to answer a rock-like opponent, an inhuman wretch, incapable of pity, void and empty from any ounce of mercy.
I have heard your grace has taken great pains to modify his stubborn cause. But since he stands solid, and that no lawful means can carry me out of his enemy's reach, I confront his fury with my patience, and I am ready to suffer the very tyranny and rage of his with quiet spirit.
Go, one of you, and call the Jew into the court.
Here he comes, my lord.
Make room and let him stand before us. Shylock, the world thinks, and I think so too, that only you carry this kind of malice. And to the very last hour of action, it's thought you will show your mercy and remorse more strangely than your strange apparent cruelty is. We all expect a gentle answer, Jew.
I have told your grace of what I purpose, and by our holy Sabbath, I have sworn to have the due and penalty of my bond. If you deny it, let the danger light on your city's charter and your city's freedom. You ask me why I would rather choose to have a weight of dead flesh than 3,000 ducats? I won't answer that, only to say I feel like it. Have I answered you?
This is no answer, you unfeeling man, to excuse the flowing of your cruelty.
I am not required to please you with my answer.
Do all men kill the things they don't love?
Does any man hate the thing he wouldn't kill?
Every wrong is not a hate at first.
What? Would you like a serpent sting you twice?
Please! If you think you may question the Jew, you may as well go. Stand on the beach and ask the main version to decrease his usual height. You may as well use questions with the wolf. Why he has made the mother sheep cry for the lamb. You may as well do almost as hard as possible. Let me have judgment, Jew. And Jew have his default.
For your 3,000 decades, here are 6.
If every decade in 6,000 decades were in 6 parts and every part a decade, I would not accept them. I want my promise to pay.
How shall you hope for mercy, giving none?
What judgment shall I dread if I have done no wrong? You have many purchased slaves among you like your dogs and mules. You use them in a learned slavish way. Shall I say to you, let them be free? That pound of flesh which I demand of him is dearly bought, and it is mine. If you deny it, damn your law. There is no backbone in the law of Venice. I stand here on my law.
I may dismiss this court by my power, unless Bellario, a learned doctor, whom I have sent for to determine this, comes here today.
There is a messenger waiting outside with letters from the doctor. Just now arrived from Padua.
Bring us the letters. Call the messenger.
Cheer up, Antonio. What, man? Have courage still? The Jew shall have my bones, my blood, and my flesh before you shall lose of one drop of blood for me.
I am poison, castrated ram of flock, most ready for death. The weakest kind of fruit first drops to the ground. So let me.
Did you come from Padua, from Bellario?
Why do you sharpen your knife so hastily?
To cut the payment from the chest over there.
You make your knife sharp, not on the sole of your shoe, but on your sole harsh shoe. No, not the hangman's axe to be sharpened to half of the sharpness of your sharp head. Can any praise reach your heart?
No, you have no sense enough to make.
Oh, damn you stubborn dog.
Until you can scream to cancel my bond, you only insult your lungs to speak so loud. Fix your grain, good youth, or else it will fall to ruin. I stand here for the law.
This letter from Bellario recommends a young and learned doctor to our court. Where is he?
He waits very nearby to know your answer whether you will admit him.
With all my heart, some 3 or 4 of you, go, give him courteous welcome to this place. In the meantime, the court shall hear Bellario's letter.
Your grace shall understand that as I accept your letter, I am very sick. But just as your messenger came, a young doctor from Rome was visiting with me. His name is Baljar. I acquainted him with the cause of the controversy between the Jew and Antonio, the merchant. We looked over many books together. He is furnished with my opinion, comes to fulfill your grace request in my place because of my illness. Please don't let his youth be an impediment to giving him the utmost respect, because I never knew sewing a body with so old head. I leave him to your gracious acceptance, whose testing shall better prove his abilities.
You hear what the learned Bellario has written, and here, I take it, is the doctor coming. Did you come from old Bellario?
I did, my lord.
You're welcome. Take your place. Are you acquainted with the difference of opinion that is the present question before the court?
I am thoroughly informed about the case. Which is the merchant here and which is the Jew?
Antonio and old Shylock both come forward.
Is your name Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
You pursue a suit of strange nature, still in such rule of law that the Venetian law cannot fight against you as you proceed. You stand in his danger, don't you?
Yes, so he says.
Do you confess the promise in the bond?
Yes, I do.
Then must the Jew be merciful.
On what compulsion must I? Tell me that.
The quality of mercy is not restricted. It drops as gentle rain from heaven. So Jew, though justice is your plea, consider this. If we all got justice, none of us would see salvation. We pray for mercy, and the strict court of Venice must give a ruling against the merchant there.
It's on my head. I want the penalty in my bond.
Is he unable to repay the money?
No! I have bought it for him into the court, twice the sum. If it is not enough, I will swear to pay loss of my hands, my head, my bones. I beg you, twist the law once to your authority.
It must not be. There is no power in Venice that can change an established law. It will set a precedent, and many errors by the same example will rush into the state. It cannot be.
Most rightful judge, I honor you, most rightful judge.
Shylock?
Here it is, my bond. Please look at it.
Shylock, there is 3 times the money offered to you.
An oath, an oath. I have an oath in the heaven. Shall I lay dirt on my soul? No, not for Venice.
Why? The bond is penalty, and lawfully the Jew may claim.
By my soul, I swear, there is no power in the voice of man to change my mind. I stand here for my law.
A pound of that merchant flesh is yours. The court awards it, and the law gives it. So, Antonio, bare your chest.
Yes, his chest, nearest his heart. Those are the very words, aren't they?
It is true. Are there scales here to weigh the flesh?
I have them ready.
Have some surgeon nearby, Shylock, on your responsibility to stop his wounds so that he won't bleed to death.
Is it so stated in the bond?
It is not so expressly stated, but so what? It would be good for you to do so much for charity.
I can't find it in the bond.
You merchant, have you anything to say?
It's almost over. Give me your hand, Bassanio. Goodbye.
A pound of that merchant flesh is yours. The court awards it and the law gives it. Wait a minute! There is something else. The bond doesn't give you here a drop of blood. The words expressly are a pound of flesh. Then take your bond. Take your pound of flesh. But in the cutting of it, if you shed 1 drop of blood, you die and all your properties are seized.
Most rightful judge, Marju, a learned judge.
Is that the law?
You yourself shall see the law. As you insist on justice, be assured you shall have nothing but justice.
Okay, give me my principal and let me go. I take this offer then.
Here is the money.
Wait! The Jew shall have all justice. He shall have nothing but justice. But in the cutting of it, if you shed 1 drop of blood, you die and all your properties are seized.
How is this possible? Give me my principal and let me go.
No! The law has yet another hold on you. That if it is proved against any one citizen, shall seek one half his goods, and other half comes to public treasury of the state. So kneel down and beg mercy of the Duke.
Beg that you may have permission to hang yourself, and still all your wealth being penalty to pay the state, and your hanging is at state expenses.
Yes, for the state, not for Antonio.
Please don't pardon my life when you take the means by which I live. I am now a dead man.
What mercy can you give him, Antonio?
A free rope with a knot, nothing else, for God's sake.
Are you condemned, Jew? What do you say?
No. Half of it to me, and half of it to his daughter and his son.
He shall do this, or else I shall not pardon him.
Now I am content. I am not well. Please let me go. Send the deed after me and I'll sign it.
Go, but do it. Bravo, young lawyer. How I honor you.
Clerk, drop a deed of gift.
At the end, justice is all that prevails.
Wow, super. Put your hands together. Next, girls' western performance by Nartana Club Cluso. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Valluri Sai Charishma, second year, CSE. Collect your ID card near the dice. And if anyone lost your key, bike key, you can collect near dice. Thank you.
Yes, this is regarding the transportation. Transportation was arranged for boys and girls separately. All buses for girls placed on the road of main gate, and all the buses for boys placed on the road of second gate. And the order of buses placed first starting from Tenali route for girls 9AB, and then for Guntur, Amravati Road, Colony and Vidyanagar, Koritapadu, Lakshmipuram Road, Gardens Road, Pattavipuram Road, Housing Board, and bus stand students can board any one of any buses. And then next bus is for Vijayawada, 7AC, 7B, 1AB, 1CD and 5B, 5A, 4A, 4B, 3AB, 2AB, 6AB, 6CD. These buses for girls placed on the road of main gate up to canteen. And buses for boys placed on the road of second gate, and the buses in the order first for Tenali route 9A, 9B, then for Guntur road, Amravati road, Colony and Vidyanagar, Koritapadu, Lakshmipuram road, Gardens road, Pattavipuram road, Housing Board road, and bus stand students can bus anyone. And then for Vijayawada route 7AC, 7B, 1AB, 1CD and 5B, 5A, 4A, 4B, 3AB, 2AB, 6AB, 6CD. And all route supervisors are requested to board all girls buses, and some of the senior faculty also requested to board girls buses. And girls can reach their buses by moving to me left side, that is via new library, and boys can reach their buses by moving to me right and through old library and canteen. Buses for hostel students also placed on the second gate. Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow. What a tremendous performance from Nartana Club of Cluso. Next, a host performance from Nartana Club of Cluso, Triloki and his group.
Small announcement. Somebody lost his purse. Please collect near the dais. It's a brown purse.
Hello everybody, welcome to the world of New Age. Come on, let's have a party together. Are you ready? Ready? Let's go! Arriba, se trova, arriba, Rioma,
is a song which is gonna be a massive hit of the year. Thank you.
गोलकोंडा गोलपट्टी चारमीनार सिटी गुटी ऐसे राजा जनका 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 गोलकोंडा गोलपट्टी चारमीनार सिटी गुटी ऐसे राजा जनका 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 ऐसे राजा जनका 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 ऐसे राजा जनका 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 जनका
మరి ఫ్రెండ్స్ గైస్ ఎంజాయ్ చేసి అలసిపోయినట్టున్నారు ఇవాళ. సో రేపు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా స్పాట్ ఈవెంట్స్, టెక్నికల్ ఈవెంట్స్, పేపర్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ అన్నీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. మీకు స్పెషలైజేషన్ ఏంటంటే రేపు ఇవాళ ఎంజాయ్ చేసిన దానికన్నా రెట్టింపు ఎంజాయ్ చేసేదానికి ప్రో షోస్ రేపు ఈవినింగ్ టోటల్ కల్చరల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఢిల్లీ, మణిపూర్, డిఫరెంట్ స్టేట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చే ప్రో షో. దీని స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ఐఐటీస్, ఎన్ఐటీస్, ఎనీ కాలేజెస్, ఫస్ట్ టైం వితౌట్ టేకింగ్ ఎనీ సింగిల్ పెనీ వీఆర్ కండక్టింగ్ ప్రో షోస్ ఫర్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్. మీరు ఐఎమ్ అష్యూరింగ్ ది ఛాన్స్ దట్ మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ రోజు కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు రేపు. స్టే ట్యూన్డ్ టు సమ్యక్ and enjoy the beat now. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు మిస్ అవ్వద్దు.
Excuse me friends, a small announcement. ECE second year Puneet, please collect your ID card here, and anybody lost your Bajaj Pulsar key, please collect here. Once again, ECE second year Puneet, 12004227.
All the coordinators of Samyak, please stay back here. All the coordinators of Samyak, please stay back here.
All the coordinators of Samyak, please stay back here.
All the guys, please vacate this arena, and the girls from the left side of the OAT and the boys from the right side of the OAT. Girls can go through the main gate of KL University. All the boys go to second gate, that is beside the hostel